Hey, what are we doing here today, Jason?
We're stripping doors. Stripping cedar doors.
These are cedar doors for what?
For a bath.
For a bath?
Yeah.
A Turkish bath?
No, I don't know. They're redoing their bathroom.
Japanese bath?
These people are redoing their bathroom, but they want to keep their old doors. No, not really, actually. Most people, when they take off their old doors, they want new doors. But they like their old stuff, so who can blame them for wanting to keep good stuff? No.
Oh,
These
okay.
are not doors that I made.
But you do lots or you're very capable at refinishing.
Scraping off the old stuff.
Things in the camera are not as close as they appear. Sorry about that. Ooh, and there's all the remnants of... That's just nasty.
Yep.
It's like old pumpkin pie filling. Just, let's not go there.
Are you ready for this?
Brace
yourself. It's a scraper.
A what now?
A scraper.
A scraper.
Yeah.
And who came up with the name for the scraper? Is this of any historical significance?
Probably not.
Oh, okay. You might actually watch this.
Any wood.
And why not? Is that a bad thing? That would be bad, wouldn't it?
Well, when you're restoring something, you don't actually want to take off any wood. You just want to take off the finish.
Yeah, you're just trying to restore to the original wood, right? You're just trying to take off the outer layers of what? What were on these, for instance?
I think this was like a polyurethane that we're taking off here.
Polyurethane is fairly common, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Especially for like older 70s stuff like this obviously was.
Well, obviously, yes. I can see the... Well, okay, it's not obvious.
70s.
Now, why is it obvious? Do you determine that because of what kind of wood it is?
Sorta, yeah, the design. Most doors nowadays are not made with a... Look at this. Follow my finger. This. The gabled ends. Today we use cope and stick.
Cope and stick.
Yes.
And why do you use that instead of polyurethane?
Well, no, that's not polyurethane. It's the.
I wasn't listening. I was filming.
It's the construction of the door instead of these corners. Like
all right.
Here, I'll show you. See, like that. See that? See how different the jointery is on that?
Yes, that's very different jointery. That's modern jointery?
Yes.
Jointery, your term? Is that a real term?
Jointery? Yeah.
Jointery?
A real term.
All right. And we will come back next time, maybe, with more.
Rogue Fine
Look at the camera.
Living, Rogue Fine Living.
Not that close.
.com.
And what can people find there?
Woodworking and furniture.
All right. And you've been... we'll talk about you some other time. It's not important. The show's just about you.